Jonny builds unbreakable things.
Welcome back to another episode of Jonny LightWELD. In this episode I'm working on the intercooler to throttle body piping, so let's get right into it. So the first part of this project is measuring everything and cutting the pipes that I'm going to be using. I also have to check the fit up as well and make sure I have the clearance I need for all the piping. There are a lot of curved sections in the piping, going from the intercooler in the front here to the throttle body in the back. So I'll have quite a few pipe sections to weld together for this part of the project. So I have all the sections in place here and taped up. I have all the right angles now. It's resting against the frame for now, but I'll be adding some tabs to hang those when I mount them. A couple of flex couplers, and that's where the blow-off valve will go. And right to the intake, there's the blow-off valve right there. Okay, so we're all set. Let's get to welding. Actually, first I need to cut some of the hood away to make some room for the piping. Just give me a second here. Okay, now I'm ready for welding. I'm starting at the intercooler and we'll work our way back to the intake manifold. Okay, so this tubing I'm using is 60-61 aluminum with an 65-inch wall. This first piece is the same, it just happens to have a brushed finish instead of polish like the rest. As you can see, I'm tacking all these pieces into place. Later I'll go back and weld the seams. My settings are 700 watts, 3mm wobble length, 2 Hertz pulse frequency, 75% duty cycle. The wire feeder is set to 12 inches per minute. I'm using 063 1/16 4043 wire. This is a quick disconnect flex coupling, which is also 60-61. For this part, as I mentioned, I'm just pulsing and tacking these parts together, and later I'll be doing the final weld. Here I'm welding the blow-off flange, which has a 1/8 inch wall to the same tubing with .065 wall. So my settings here are a little different because of the difference in the thickness of the flange, and I'm using 800 watts with a 4mm wobble, 30 Hertz wobble, frequency 80% duty cycle, with 20% power compensation. I'm also using the same 4043 wire, which is .063 1/16, and here it is all tacked in place. You can see the blow-off valve added in there with that flange you just watched me weld. And that's it for this episode. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.